Hello everyone, today I will show you how to load a previous backup in far west. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, navigate to backups. Here you can select one of your backups that you made earlier and simply select load backup. Then hit yes, but note this will overwrite your current save progress. The backup has been loaded. One more thing, I think the destroy current save file doesn't work, because when destroying a save file which is currently loaded and hitting yes, this creates a new save file. So I think both of those options are actually the same. But nonetheless, now you know how to load a backup save. You can close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like as well.